Oh, hello,
Hi.
Romeo.
Hi, sir.
Welcome. Yung audio-visual systems, most people think it's a luxury
Yeah,
add-on. Tama.
yeah.
How would you say how important it is to be included in the early design phase, whether it's for home, office, or leisure projects?
Yeah. Um, usually we come in, sir, during the construction. I think mga on the building stage, probably around 50 to 60% of the construction stage na. Para we can do the para we can do the provisions, para we can come up with a very tidy, very clean setup for audio.
And how does that normally go? Do they shop for the equipments first, or you work with the designers
Yeah.
first?
First of all, sir, we work with the designers first. We ask what the client wants, and then from that request, we usually match the products with those kinds of preferences pagdating dun sa audio.
Oo.
And
How 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 different ba siya from just buying a speaker from really creating an entire audio visual experience
yeah,
for the user?
yeah. For the experience kasi, sir, we considered everything.
Mm.
So it not a good home theater not doesn't only need a good video. So it also needs a good audio, a good cables, and well designed equipment system. So that's a big role in terms of building a good home theater for everybody.
Yeah,
Yeah.
speaking of equipment, I've seen your lineup eh. Ang
Yeah.
gaganda, very
Opo.
impressive from really high-end and high-quality performing equipments.
Yeah.
Could you walk us through again kung ano yung mga products and brands that you carry, and which do you probably could recommend for mga entry points, mid-level, and
Yeah.
or high-end exposures?
Yeah. Being in the business po for more than 30 years na, we have came up with a very good product lineup po. To name a few, of course, the best brand that we have right now is the Macintosh.
Mm.
So that's a legendary brand po from US.
Mm.
It's a very well-known brand. It's like a legend po talaga when it comes to branding. So that's a premium brand that we offer. And then we also cater mid-level market. So when we say mid-level market, we have the home theater for Onkyo. And recently, sir, we added Project. Project is also a audio brand from UK that caters mainly into turntables. Yes,
Okay.
yeah. So we have that kind of product also. And lastly, of course, since Toyama is a standalone supplier, we also have cables. So we have everything that you need when it comes to audio, sir.
So it's just not ano 'no, it's just not purchasing the appliance, you actually help set it
Yes,
up,
yes.
tama? Oo.
Actually, that's one of the key services, sir, that we offer for Toyama. Um, we just don't supply the product.
Mm.
We install the product for you. We give you the best product for whatever uh, room you have. So that
Hmm. Do you have any guide for yung mga first time uh, buyers or clients who really want to have a quality listening or cinematic experience? Would you have any tips for them?
Yeah, our products are comes in different tiers.
Mm.
So we can actually match uh, uh, any requirement with the products po that we have. Like for example, if you want an entry level theater, we have a specific package for that, sir. We have mid levels also. So
Mm-mm.
it depends on your, of course, your passion on how much you want
Yeah,
to build your home
oo.
theater in the future. So,
Oo.
yan.
Kasi yung mga common, I guess, this is my experience. I've also learned through the years, yung mga common misconception natin about sound is dapat mataas yung treble, mataas yung bass. How would
Yeah,
you, how
yeah,
would you recommend that?
yeah. A good character of a hi-fi sound, sir, should be balanced.
Mm,
You don't overdone the bass.
mm,
You don't overdone the highs.
mm.
It should be how it was intended when it was recorded, sir. So that's a good hi-fi sound is.
So kayo rin, you do the calibrations yourself.
Yes, yes.
Ah,
It's one
okay.
of, sir, again, it's one of the key services po that we have. When you buy a product from us, we do the calibration with the system.
Right,
So
right.
when you purchase a system from us, sir, all
Mm.
you have to do is watch later on. We
Oo.
do all the dirty works for the clients, sir.
Right. Oo.
Do the installation,
Oo,
do the
oo,
calibration, sir.
oo.
That's
So
that's
you also have ano ba, walk us through about designing the space kasi I'm sure we want to keep the cables
yeah.
invisible as much as possible, and then probably there's an ideal room size or
Yeah.
what would those specifications be if you're given an ideal scenario to set up
Yeah.
for a home?
Usually, sir, what we do is we match the specs with the room that they're giving to us.
Mm.
Like, of course, let's start with the room dimensions, sir. Once we know the technical dimensions of the room, we can already plan out the exact specs of the equipment that are needed for that room, sir. So that's the first stage. Then after that, we have to know, sir, the key, or what are the key requirements for the room. Will it gonna be an exposed speaker or
Mm.
an in-wall speakers?
Mhm.
So that we can customize that also. So that's part of the planning, sir. When we build the home theater, we also recommend, we do technical recommendations also for the distances. Like, of course, you have to get the exact, what do you call it, viewing distance for
Mm.
you to not get dizzy when you watch the movie. So those are very important matters, sir, to discuss when we design the room.
Yeah, kasi I've been to some setup, mafi-feel mo may echo eh.
Yeah, opo.
Yeah, in
Yes.
your case, how do you prevent all this?
Um, Again, we have, since audio po yung line of specialty nung kumpanya namin, we supply everything. So when
Mm.
it comes to acoustics, sir, we also do acoustics design.
Okay,
Opo. So
okay.
parang acoustic designs helps out to bring yung full potential, sir, of the system most of the time.
Oo.
So we tackle echoes with, of course,
Mm.
proper acoustic placement of in the room, sir.
Oo. And it should be ano ba, completely dark or dapat ba may windows, walang windows? What would you recommend?
Yeah. The ideal room should be closed, sir. Just
Mm.
closed talaga para at
Oo.
least we can minimize, sir, yung mga reflections, ambient
Oo.
noise and all.
Oo.
We don't, again, sir, we when it comes to measurement, we are actually, what do you call it, when it comes to room kasi, uh, normally when we design a home theater room, sir, the room is already there. The dimension of the
Okay.
room is already
Yeah,
there.
oo.
So what we do, sir, is we put acoustics into it.
Okay.
Kasi, sir, that's the biggest challenge when
Mm.
you build the room, yung
Yeah.
acoustics of the room.
Yeah.
And
So other than the acoustics and the equipment and the visual, do you also provide the furniture?
we are limited to seats, sir.
Okay.
We don't do outsourcing of other furnitures aside from seats.
Right.
Yeah, we
Oo.
provide theater seats also.
Oo,
The
wow. That's
comfy ones
nice.
with the
Oo.
recliners po,
Oo.
with the matching cup holders with what do you call it? Chillers.
Yeah, oo.
So
So talagang pwede nang matulog doon
yeah, of course.
while watching.
Yeah,
Oo.
opo, yan.
And
So
it's ano ba yan? Pwede i-customize?
usually we can customize the color, sir.
Mm.
But the design is from the factory po talaga. The
Oo.
the technical designs are all standard, sir, for home theaters.
Okay. In your telling of Toyama,
Toyama.
you
Opo.
mentioned that it has been here for almost 30 years na.
Yeah,
Yeah.
31 po.
Ano kaya yung naging journey niya and why audiovisual equipment?
Yeah. Our boss who ano sir, who put up the company is an ECE. So his
Oh,
passion is really into electronics. Parang he was employed before, sir.
yeah, okay.
But his calling is talagang into electronics.
Yeah.
So all the pieces came together when a
Yeah.
friend came, and
Ah,
then let's put up this company. And
yeah,
then,
oo.
so then Toyama came out.
Okay.
Toyama sounds like a Japanese, sir, but it's a pure local company.
Oh, wow. Proudly Filipino.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If Toyama, ang core business sir ng Toyama are really into audio. So if you can see the brands that we have, more than 10 brands that we are carrying right now, all are hardcore hi-fi brands. So
Yeah.
that's the main business of Toyama, sir.
So when you say like 30 years ago, anong era ba yan? Era ng mga
Oh.
80s pa ba yan? Or...
Well, honestly, I was 12 years old at that time. So, hindi ko po siya alam. I
Oo.
started my audio career, sir, way back mga 2000.
Yeah, oo.
So, I think, sir, during that time, the trend was really up. The trend for home theater is really booming up, sir.
Yeah, oo.
Yeah, so, I guess, sir, Toyama was one of the biggest when it comes to home theater industry during that time. We all know about other brands, but
Right.
I think nandun kami, sir, sa talagang mid to high level of audio
Oo.
system.
So ibig sabihin, mula pa, when the company opened, yun na talaga yung
Yes.
ang target market niya is in
Yes.
the mid to high na kaagad.
Yes.
Would you know, could you share, ano kaya yung mga first line of equipment prior to now? Ano yung
Yeah.
mga una ninyong entry
Yeah.
equipment then?
The first product, sir, that was imported was Onkyo.
Okay.
So during back then, Onkyo is a very well-known brand when it comes to audio. Onkyo was the first Dolby amp in the world.
Yeah,
And so that was the first brand that was imported by Toyama. A year after, sir, it was followed by a British brand, which I will not mention because it's not already ours,
yeah,
sir.
yeah,
And then after that, sir, we sunod-sunod na.
yeah.
Like everybody is approaching us since they are recognizing the growth of Toyama already in the
Yeah.
audio. And by the way, sir, our boss is an audiophile himself.
Wow,
Yeah.
oo.
So talagang passion niya. Talaga siya, talagang mahilig siya sa audio.
Oo.
And especially nowadays, pag nakikita mo yung gears niya, talagang sobrang super high-end na.
Oo.
So ayan, going back to going to the early days of Toyama. So that was the first that we acquired, Onkyo,
Yeah,
and
oo.
followed by a British brand, which I will not mention again.
Yeah.
And then, of course, sir, we want to be a standalone supplier in the industry. So we imported different things pa. So we imported cables, we imported streamers, we
Right.
imported turntables, everything, sir, that you need, line conditioners,
Yeah.
all accessories like cables,
Yeah.
interconnects, everything,
Right.
sir, speaker cables, we have that.
Wow, ang galing, no? But during all those times from when Toyama started out up to this day, I've heard so many wonderful things about their company.
Thank you, sir.
Could you recall kung meron ba kayong mga challenges before and how you overcame those challenges before?
Well, sir, when it comes to challenge on the early days of the company, I'm not really sir, but it wasn't really a challenge for us because the
Okay.
brands, sir, that we carry are very
Oo.
well known in the Philippines.
Talagang
it's like,
hinahanap.
opo. So it's
Oo.
like, what do you have? We have BMW. O sige.
Yeah.
Ganun po.
Oo.
So I think, sir, that was, kumbaga, yung sell out of the product is a very small challenge for us.
Oo.
I can't recall, sir, what's the hardest challenge for us until
Wow,
now.
ang galing,
Yeah,
Oo.
until now.
Oo.
Because I think we reached this level of, sir, of of the company.
Yeah.
Kasi nga we're doing well with the
Yeah.
audio.
Talking about that, Romeo, in your experience,
Mhm.
so sa dami niyo ng na-fulfill na requirement,
Projects.
how would you say yung naging uh, experience din ng mga Filipinos when it comes to taste for better sound, better visual? Ano yung mga tingin mong major changes now?
Well, sir, we changed from a very traditional hi-fi into I mean sir yung audio in the Philippines evolved so much na parang sumabay tayo doon sa ibang trend
Yeah.
outside the Philippines. We
Oo.
have our own taste when it comes to audio, sir.
Yeah.
To be honest, when we encounter local sir, iba yung taste nila as compared to
Yeah,
talagang
oo,
yeah.
oo.
But eventually, sir, that taste is parang nabago siya after a while because Filipino, kumbaga yung mga audiophiles natin learned a lot from the outside
Yeah,
communities.
oo.
So, I guess yun yung trend.
Oo.
Mabilis naman sir nag-catch up yung mga Filipino audiophiles into
Yeah.
whatever the trend is.
Oo, lalo na everyone's now traveling,
Yeah,
may
apo.
better than before,
Yeah.
where it's very restricted, so they get to experience all these mga
Yeah.
new
Yeah.
new
And
places. So
yeah, I think sir nag-evolve din talaga yung audio. It depends dun sa trend din on that time. During kasi sa early 2000, the trend was home theater.
yeah.
Then 2007 to the latter part of 2010, na siya, personal audio na kasi everybody
Yeah,
constantly
oo,
travel. Then
oo.
after the headphones, sir, nagkaroon ng surgence ng headphone. And then the vinyl comes in.
Right.
And then
Oh,
after the vinyl, that's the streamer. Ganun. So
oo.
yun po yung naging trend ng
Oo.
audio in the Philippines.
Parang may may strong community comeback for the
Yes.
vinyl, right?
Yes.
Parang
Actually, sir, biggest revenue comes from vinyl nowadays. Kasi yung
really?
CD po
Oo.
is phased out na.
Yeah, oo.
So, talaga nagkaroon po ng big resurgence po ng demand sa
Okay.
Saka po even yung what do you call it, yung age bracket po ng nakikinig
Yeah.
ng vinyl ngayon,
Yeah.
pabata po ng pabata.
Talaga?
Yes.
Galing
Tapos yung mga vinyl po ngayon are getting moderns also. Kasi may streaming na. Pwede kayong mag-play ng vinyl, then you stream it directly through your headphone wirelessly. So, yun na po yung new technology.
How do you say ang main difference ng quality of sound coming from a vinyl as opposed to kunwari galing from a digital file?
Yeah. I wouldn't say, well, sir, everybody claims that, of course, vinyl is very analog sounding. But I would say, based on my experience, sir, if I compare digital file versus the vinyl file, parang it reaches a frequency that na parang you have, kasi with the vinyl, sir, parang you get a different sound quality. Ang CD kasi or a digital file is highly equalized.
Right.
So when you listen to it, maganda, ganun sir, clear. But when you listen to a vinyl, it gives you a different experience, sound
Right.
character.
Oo.
Like parang psychologically it makes you feel wow, parang mas maganda,
Yeah,
mas immersive yung experience rather than listening to a CD, sir.
Oo.
And so yun talaga yung difference.
Oo.
It's yung analog sounding kasi is very gas-gas statement, sir. But I would say it's a different experience talaga when you listen to a
But
vinyl.
at the same time, very natural, di ba?
Yes,
yung
yes.
dating niya.
We call it organic, sir.
Ayun, the crackle, the pop,
Yes,
lahat kasama yun doon eh.
yan. So that's one of the best experience when you listen to a vinyl.
Right. And right now, are you focusing just on home theater systems, or do you also cater to offices, hotels,
Yeah.
and commercial projects?
Yeah. Currently po, we are doing different kinds of business po for audio. So, before po, we are doing B2B. So, that's for the hospitality po. We also have commercial projects. When we say commercial projects, we have a different industries like mga restaurants, ganun po.
Right.
Tapos we have office partners, mga ganun
Yeah.
po. So we do, tapos may mga retail partners din po kami. So, ano po siya, we offer a very broad line of products
Right.
that caters different industries.
Oo. So you're actively open din sa not just for home
Yeah.
theater systems.
Opo.
You also supply for hotels and
Yes.
commercial projects. How
Yes.
about Romeo yung mga kasi parang dami nating inventory now for mga condominium unit.
Opo.
Do you think they also could have the chance to have a good listening experience in such a tight space?
Of course, as mentioned po, the audio evolved in such a way, sir, na sumabay siya dun sa lifestyle or dun sa trend. So, you can still have a good audio even though confine your space. Ganun. So, may
Right.
mga different products po kami that comes in different sizes, different features po. Usually po kasi when you have a condo, the challenge there is the space, di ba?
Yeah. Oo.
So we have a very compact speakers. We call it, the others call it sound bars, di ba? We also have sound bars. We also have, we call it personal audio products.
Yun. Yeah.
And
Oo.
so the personal audio products are those all the sound bars,
Yeah.
the wireless speakers, the
Yeah.
headphones, everything that we have.
And not just for listening and watching.
Yeah.
I think a lot of the community now is also playing games and
Yeah, opo.
oo.
Opo. When we do audio systems, sir, we consider everything. It depends on sa lifestyle po ng kliyente. So the client tells us na I want a gaming experience, I want a stereo. We can do that, sir, in one whole system.
Oh.
We can put up everything together para makuha, sir, yung requirement ng kliyente natin.
Paano yun if, let's say, you have multiple condominium units tabi-tabi? How do you control the...
We did one project, sir, here in Makati. We put acoustics into it po.
Okay.
Yung acoustics naman po kasi natin are aesthetically appealing somehow.
Oo.
So we can integrate the acoustic products po into the condos para po we can put up a good sound system into it.
Right. Oo.
Yan.
Let's talk about projectors.
Okay.
Kasi that's one of my talaga interest. I love to watch movie. I'm quite impressed actually when Toyama supported Fugger Architects doon sa Worldbex where you displayed your
Apo.
projector. Do you have any tips or inside information on how to properly choose what type of projector for what type of spaces?
Yeah. There are many kinds of projectors, sir, in the industries. In the industry, we have what you call laser projectors, sir. Those laser projectors, sir, can basically replace a TV.
Wow. Okay.
So if you have space that are well lit, but you want projector, we have that kind of projector, sir. We call it the ultra short throw laser projector. So that's the latest projector, sir, that you can get in the market. We use a different projector. However, if yung room, sir, is a dedicated room, meaning it's a dark room, so that's a different kind of projector, sir. But to sum it all up, sir, the latest projector, sir, that is available in the market is the laser ultra short throw projector.
So you would recommend the short throw more than the conventional na may distance pa siya?
Yeah. It depends po dun sa application. If it's dedicated home theater, of course we would recommend, sir, yung mga low lumens na projector,
Yeah,
di ba, sir? But if it's a mixed-use room like living room, ganun siya, we can also have a projector na.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Siguro for those who are listening in or watching the video, kasi we kind of said a lot of technical terms, di ba? Could you kind of clarify what you mean by short throw and lumens?
Okay. When we say lumen, sir, that's the brightness of the projector. Of course, the more it gets brighter, sir, the more na kaya niyang i-project sa room na 'yon.
Right.
And the ultra short throw, sir, before kasi the traditional projector, sir, you need to have, sir, longer throwing, what do you call it, throw distance and
Yeah.
all. With the ultra short throw, sir, you can place it 15 centimeters away from the wall, and
Wow.
then you get
Oo.
100 inches projection of the screen.
Galing.
So that's the ultra short
Oo.
throw.
So wala na talagang magdi-disturb doon sa
Yeah.
in-between, no?
Yeah.
Sometimes, pag lumakad ka,
Apo.
or it covers
Yes, there's a screen.
the screen.
Apo.
Oo.
So that's the technology, sir. The laser ones, sir.
Yeah, I've seen. Is that the same one you shared
Showcase.
or showcased with us? Yung
Yes.
kasi the quality is really sharp. Ang ganda eh.
Yeah.
I was really admired. I really admired the quality of
Yeah.
the
I
throw.
think, sir, it's one of the best in the market nowadays. The resolution for that is very good. It's almost close to sir, HDR10 TV.
Okay.
So that's the same projector set that we have showcases before on the World Beck show.
Yeah. How often, I mean, what do you think is a normal life cycle of itong mga projectors? Because I heard they're very bulb
Yeah.
dependent. Is that true?
Yeah. That's, well, sir, the manufacturer acknowledged that issue.
Yeah.
So the traditional projector, sir, usually comes in 3,000 hours, 5,000 hours.
Yeah. Oo.
The laser ones, sir, the latest ones, comes in parang mga 20, 30, or 100,000 hours na
What?
of life.
Wow,
Yeah.
talaga?
So ganun,
Okay,
so
oo.
ganun na po yung difference ng mga.
Oo.
So nowadays po hindi na po challenge talaga yung bulb
Yeah.
life or something.
Yeah.
Kasi you can use it as long as you want.
Yeah. Related to that, kasi I wanted to inquire about your support, especially for the clients who buy, di ba? Kasi where do they go? Let's say after some time, the unit isn't working anymore or the bulb has expired. Kamusta naman ang ating support for our clients?
Yeah. Sir, honestly, we are one of the few companies in the Philippines that has its own service center.
Wow.
So we have our own technical team. Those are the ones who do the installation, sir. And we have our own technical team inside the office, sir. So we have our service center in Quezon City. We do all the repairs there, sir.
Oo. That's very comforting to know kasi
Yeah.
sometimes you invest. By the way, ano bang mga price ranges nitong mga equipment natin?
Apo. When it comes to price point po, again, as mentioned po earlier, we can cater entry level for as cheap as 100,000 pesos.
Okay.
Then we can go all the way up to 15 to 20 million pesos. Sir.
Wow.
It depends dun
Oo.
sa preference ng kliyente.
Oo. Pag may ganun akong setup, siguro hindi na ako lalabas ng pa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, sir, it's a good experience to listen to those kinds of setups.
Yeah.
So
oo.
if you know somebody, sir, who wants to listen 15 million setups
Yeah.
for free,
oo.
just
Yeah.
let them go to our showroom, sir,
Yeah.
and listen. I'll be happy to assist.
When somebody, a client, walks in first time sa showroom niyo or sa
Yeah.
shop niyo, ano usually that takes them by surprise?
It's most of the time, sir, it's the price.
Okay.
Yeah, and the looks of the speaker. Kasi
Oo.
when you go to our showroom, sir, you can see the big bulky Macintosh speakers
Yeah,
agad,
oo.
sir.
Ah.
So usually they ask for the price. Diba, sir?
Oo.
And then from there on, sir, we customize based na dun sa budget nila.
Right.
Yeah,
Oo.
so normally, sir, we zero in with the questions kung ano yung how much are they willing to invest.
Yeah.
Sir.
Oo.
How big is their room? Diba, sir? And what are the things that they need talaga, priority, like gusto mo ba may turntable, gusto mo ba may streamer,
Yeah.
or gusto mo ba Netflix?
Oo nga. Oo.
Yan. So lahat yun, sir, are compatible with our system.
Yeah. Kasi sometimes what we hear and what we watch is very dependent din on the file format, tama?
Yes, yes.
Oo.
Apo.
Anong recommendation mo?
Well, sir, the good thing is with everybody uses Netflix kasi sir nowadays,
Mm.
di ba? The good thing is Netflix upgraded sir yung audio
Mm.
quality na nila.
Oo.
So when you listen to Netflix, it comes with the Dolby Atmos recording na.
Right,
And
oo.
so I think sir very maganda na yung source natin.
Right,
Maganda
oo.
na. Especially with the YouTube Premium, di ba
Yeah,
sir?
oo.
And Netflix and all.
I'm always curious kasi when I watch the movie or ano, they advertise like it's a 5.1, 7.1,
Opo.
12.1 Atmos. How are all these different ba from each other?
I mean, sir, it depends on, again, it all depends dun sa paglalagyan mo na room.
Oo.
Diba? If your room is a bit big, sir,
Mm.
of course, the standard recommendation for us will go for 7.1.
Oo.
So it differs or it varies, sir, depende dun sa system requirement ng
Yeah.
mismong room. But with regards to sound quality of a good 5.1, 7.1, 9.1, or
Yeah.
11.1.
Wow, you have hanggang 11.1?
Yes, sir. Meron pa kami until 13.1 or
Oh.
13.2.
So
So,
just for everyone watching, when you say 7.1, 13.1, you mean may 13 na speakers ba?
yes,
Ganon.
correct, sir.
All around you? Ganon.
Yes, all around you. The more you put speakers into the room, sir, it gives you a 360 degrees experience. So that's the advantage of having more speakers in the room. Diba?
Mm.
So mas marami kang speakers, mas nasusurround ka ng speakers. You feel like, diba, you're inside the movie.
Yeah,
So that's
oo.
so that's the concept of having more speakers, sir, in the
And
room.
what's the point one for?
The point one, sir, is the subwoofer. So
Okay.
it's classified as a different speaker kasi iba yung classification niya as compared to other speakers.
Mm.
The 13 speakers, by the way, sir, are all passive speakers. So yung point one is an active subwoofer. Yan yung nagbibigay, sir, ng rumbling sound in a movie.
Sige nga, what's the difference between active speaker and passive? Nandito na rin lang
Yeah,
tayo.
po.
Okay.
An active speaker, sir, is meron siyang built-in amplifier.
Mm.
So, nagre-rely lang siya ng signal sa ibang devices mo kung paano siya tutunog.
Right.
Kasi from the word active, sir, it's also called self-amplified.
Mm-mm.
So, may sarili siyang amp. So,
Yeah.
it doesn't rely kung gaano kalakas yung amp mo or kahina.
Mm-mm.
It relies on the signal that it sends to the subwoofer.
Mm-mm.
Kaya nakahiwalay po parati yung point one. The passive ones, sir, are all dependent dun sa amplifiers natin.
Yeah.
So, tumutunog sila based dun sa supply na nanggagaling dun sa receiver. That's why they call it passive. Kasi nga, sir, kailangan nila ng supply para tumunog.
So, ibig sabihin, if we are to set up and collaborate for a project, we need to have so many power outlets din ba?
Usually, the outlets are concentrated po where the equipment are.
Okay.
We also, sir, we declare po the power requirement that we need when we build a home theater para po hindi mo overload yung
Right.
buong set. Yes.
So, ang ideal is to have its own separate
Yes.
distribution panel.
Yes. Apo.
Ang galing. Okay.
Pagka hindi naman po kaya, we have products po that can deal with that kind of issues.
Yeah, oo.
So we sell line conditioners, sir.
Mm-mm.
Para you plug all your devices dun sa line conditioners and di ba, sir, it protects everything that are connected.
Yeah. Is it the same with, kasi I've been to mga setup where siguro may mga doseng remote control na doon.
Yeah.
Oo.
With regards to remote control, sir, I think medyo limited po yung resources natin for that. Ang common trend po kasi nowadays are app-based na.
Okay.
So all the hardware remotes can
Yeah.
be put away, sir. Tas pwede nyo na siyang i-control via app.
Okay.
So everything are network controlled na po.
Parang smart.
Yes, somehow it's smart. That's a good thing to point out also na yung devices natin, sir, are also compatible sa mga automation ng devices, third-party devices.
When you say automation, you're referring to automated lighting?
Yes, automated lighting, sir.
Including air conditioning?
Yes, everything po.
Pati yung mga blinds, yung ganun?
Yes,
Dumidilim na lang siya kusa?
Yes. And if you want if wala pong budget for expensive automation, our products po are compatible with Alexa, with Google Home.
Galing.
So,
Mm.
a simple command of Alexa, sir, will turn on the audio at the same time with the curtains.
Oo.
So, can
Do
put,
you think may ano yan, may disruption yung AI sa current ano nyo, industry nyo?
well, sir, at this stage, wala pa po masyado sa AI sa amin. Kasi it's all, parang all network-based pa rin naman po. Wala pa pong intervention masyado dun sa AI.
Right.
I think wala pa po yata sa
Mm-mm.
ganong industry yung audio natin.
Yeah. It's so wonderful to know that we have a partner that
Yeah.
specializes in all this audio video experiences for 30 years na
For 30 years.
ba? That's a very ano na seasoned partner.
Yeah.
How do you envision the next steps for Toyama? Ano yung next steps ninyo for the future?
Oh, well, sir, I think we will continue to be competitive, sir, when it comes to the latest trend po pagdating sa audio. I think yun po yung nakikita kong yun po yung nakikita
Yeah.
kong direction for Toyama.
Yeah. And do you also parang hold parang mga workshops or
We do, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah.
oo.
We have our existing partners po in the same industry as you.
Oo.
So, usually po is we invite them po. We
Mm-mm.
invite them. We do workshops po. Minsan
Yeah.
po 1 or 2 days pa. We let them experience po the products po that we have in the showroom.
Mm-mm.
We do product trainings. We do everything, sir, for them.
Mm-mm.
And so we can even do, sir, mga for kasi, sir, we are distributor. So we have
Right.
dealers outside Manila, ganun po.
Yeah.
So we do online trainings, ganun po.
Mm.
We do online workshops.
Yeah.
Iba po, ganun.
And when they order, normally how long should they wait for a complete setup?
Sir, normally for Toyama, we keep everything in stock.
Oh, really?
Meron lang pong mga super high-end
Oo.
na of course, sir, that's order
Oo.
basis.
Yeah.
But normally, sir, we keep everything in stocks.
That's a really good advantage,
Yeah,
diba?
apo.
Biruin mo, when you want something,
Yes.
andyan na, instantly you'd have that experience
Yeah, po.
as soon.
Yeah, opo. Ayun po yung sir. Well, sir, I think, sir, that's one of the things that keeps us apart dun sa mga small
Yeah.
suppliers.
Yeah.
Kami, sir,
oo.
we can keep a big inventory of the product. Ang hindi lang talaga natin, sir, kinikerry are, of course, the limited ones,
Mm-mm.
which are talagang mga super high-ends na.
Yeah.
But at least, sir, we keep one at least as
Yeah,
demo
oo.
namin.
Oo. Kasi there'd be a few din who want something different, di ba? They're
Yes.
willing to wait naman basta sila lang meron. No?
Yes. Sometimes po kasi audio, for others, it's a statement piece.
Mm-mm.
Parang, of course, sir, they want bulky,
Yeah,
they want.
oo.
Yeah. So those are the things that order basis.
Oh. But how long does it take if
Sir, if we do ordering, it depends on where the product will originate, sir.
right? Okay.
Like for example, for Macintosh, usually it takes 3 to 4 months po.
Okay.
For project, usually 2-3 months also.
Actually, that's fair enough. That
Yeah.
isn't too long.
At
Oo.
saka, sir, when you build the house,
Yeah.
well, sir, the 2-3 months waiting is
Yeah.
diba, it's too short
Right.
while building the whole house. Sir.
Yeah. Oo.
Opo.
By then, baka hindi pa sila ready. Ready na
Yeah.
kayo. Right?
Apo,
Oo.
yes, apo. Most of the time po ganun.
Yeah.
Then we know po talaga yung timeline
Yeah.
of the construction.
Yeah.
Para at least, sir, yung timeline po for the products to come in and then
Mm-mm.
yung matatapos yung bahay are all aligned.
Yeah. For all those na interested to get into the audiovisual experience with Toyama,
Mhm.
could you invite them and relate to them what different do you carry for them?
The name of, again po, the name of the company is Toyama Incorporated. It is located at 107 West Wing Building, West Ave, Quezon City.
Yeah, okay.
So it's a whole building, sir. We have our service there and we have the showroom there, sir. Just to name, sir, the key services that we do. We do everything when it comes to audio, sir. We do background music.
Right.
Kasi all houses now, sir, comes with back. We do home theater systems. We do multi-zone audio system. We do karaoke system.
Wow.
Karaoke,
yan.
sir, is
Maraming may gusto niyan.
karaoke system, sir. So, we do what we call it multi-zone audio system,
Yeah,
sir. So, basically, sir, every service that you need for audio, sir, we can do it.
Wow. Thank you so much, Romeo.
No problem,
I
sir.
hope the platform helps
Yeah.
Toyama get more inquiries and get more clients.
Yeah. We're looking forward, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for joining us on The Phil Big Show. Phil Big is growing as a space for sharper conversations, better connections, and real opportunities across the building industry. If this conversation gave you a fresh view on the business of building places, subscribe and share it with someone in the industry. To join the community and be part of the next wave of conversations, visit philbig.com. See you in the next one.